Hello, greetings, namaste. This is Gilles Mansillon, and I thought I'd come to you today to make a short video on the idea of protection against negative energy. For once we are connected to the I Am Presence, the Divine Self, and you walk in unity and love, this force will protect you against everything. There is nothing that can ever challenge that power, but and so you may want to every day see how you can serve life, serve the universe, serve God, and being continue to be guided in that effect, which every now moment can bring you new information in relation to your past. But living in this world that we live in is highly polarized, and so there is intense contrast and many dark things that may be happening behind the veil, and so we are constantly bombarded with negative energies, and so it is important that you learn to protect yourself. So I need to mention a couple of things. The first thing is that when we take comfort pharmaceutical drugs or alcohol or tobacco or cannabis or those kind of things create, it's not a judgment on those things, for everything is here for us to learn, but they create microfracture within our aura. And so that allows negative astral entity to come and to create false light, fear, tension into our life, so that they can feed from those energy. I will share an anecdote with you on that level. Is that a few years, maybe a couple of years ago, I was in a really downward spiral. I was struggling with something, and through my third eye vision, I saw a big lizard that was coming with his tongues and feeding from that energy. So I reacted in sending love and light to that being, and so, but he didn't. I was surprised he took it. He received it and left, and I was very surprised. And 20 minutes later, I had another vision when I see him devoured by hundreds of those beings, and so I assumed that this light was like something that they could accept, and so it was hopeful for them to find a way to translate into something more, because soon we won't need those darker forces around us on the astral planes. They will be completely gone. Another thing that is constantly being that has a very, very negative effect is all the electronic device. I do love the internet, but there is all kinds of dark things that are going on beyond the scene. And so it is good to use it with some discrimination. Understand that television was created as a propaganda machine to control, to create a veil on humanity's consciousness, so that they could follow whatever is being said on those machines. And also there is a very big danger that seems to be building up with those cell phones, those little machines. I use the phone like everybody else, but most people are being hypnotized by those things. They're completely subservient. You see them walking on the streets with their phone and their Super Mario or their SMS, and they're all walking on the street completely disconnected from the world around them, and or whatever. If you have a conversation and then there is like a SMS coming from their phone company, and everything stops, and they have to jump on the phone and stop everything so they can look at this SMS. And so it is sometimes I feel like when I'm walking on the streets and I see 12 people walking with their phone like this, I feel like I'm in a zombie movie. And so it is. I'm sure there is a plan of evolution beyond that, but it comes in relation to in the early 19th century there was a literary movement called the Romantics, and those people believed that no matter how the machine can never surpass or bring can never be superior to nature. And so now we've become. Technology has its advantage, but most of those technologies are really there is all kinds of invisible technologies also that we are bombarded with. So when you feel like you may be attacked on some level, just say return to sender and send back all those energies. Once you walk with God, once you embrace totally love in your life, you will be completely protected of those energies. They will not affect you. And cleansing your physical, emotional, and mental and astral body will put you in touch with that energy. It is a natural thing. For the natural development of DNA is far superior to anything that any machine can ever bring into your life. There are certain tools that could be used also to protect yourself. Use whatever makes sense to you, what feels right. But the golden light of Christ is very powerful. It comes from the heart, and it is unconditional love. And so, if somebody send you negative energy, if you send love back, the love will make vanish the negative energy, and the people will just either accept it or run away. The violet flame also can be very powerful in using to transmute energy, to allow to fill your aura. You may call on Master Saint Germain or Archangel Zadkiel. You can also use the blue flame. Call on Archangel Michael. He's an archangel of protection, and he will be able to assist you. You can call on the cosmic egg of the Archangel Metatron to protect your aura. Of course, your guides and angels are also here, and they're protecting you, but only to the level where they're allowed. So the more you ask for protection, the more you ask for well-being and shared understanding, the better your frequency. The more you connect to your guides and angels, the more you will feel that you are safe and protected. For that's what in truth we all are, safe and protected. But if we do not want to be affected by some negative energy, meditation is also a very powerful tool, because you turn your sense inwards, and so your senses are not as much affected by the outer negativity. Of course, breathing in and out, emptying out your lungs of all the monoxide, carbon monoxide, and bringing more oxygen into your body will definitely help to clarify and purify your physical body. And once it's completely clear, you will see that ascension is a natural process. You may also do a little exercise of tapping here on this level. It stimulates the thymus, which is your immune system, because when we're born, the thymus is very powerfully activated, and it should grow on the same size as the heart. But since the pharmaceutical company have somewhat made us believe that those vaccinations are necessary, the thymus has been atrophied, and so it needs to be stimulated to fulfill its full function. Because if our thymus was completely active, we would be completely no illness could ever touch us. And so this is another exercise. Of course, there is no need to seek. Divine justice will come in its due time. It is out of compassion, for every soul needs to learn. It is inevitable. It is perfect, but sometimes there is delay because we are eternal beings. And so, don't forget, you are the creator of your life. You are the master of your life. You need to create from your intention, from your thoughts, from your actions, from your emotion. And so you have to select, to choose whatever works for you, and try to protect your energy as much as possible from all kinds of interference and negativity. On those words, I hope this video will be useful for you. I hope you can live a day of joy and cultivate that joy, and not allow yourself to be distracted by negative emotion. I thank you very much. Namaste.